Imagine waking up each morning feeling stiff, tired, and afraid of falling just by walking to the kitchen. Now imagine a different morning where you rise with ease, stretch your arms wide, take a deep breath, and feel strong, balanced, and ready to enjoy your day. This isn't a fantasy. It's possible. And in the next 10 minutes, you'll discover the simple morning stretch seniors everywhere are using to stay active, pain-free, and full of energy. No more stiff joints. No more sluggish starts. Just you, your body, and a routine that brings your youth back one breath at a time. Hello, dear viewers. First of all, thank you for clicking this video. It means you care about your health, your strength, and your independence. That alone is powerful. Whether you're in your 60s, 70s, or beyond, your decision to take action today is a gift to your future self. I honor your courage, your time, and your presence. You are not alone. Thousands of seniors around the world are also searching for natural ways to feel better, move better, and live longer. And you've come to the right place. Before we begin, I want to say this from the heart. May you be blessed with vibrant health, strong bones, and a peaceful mind. May every stretch you do bring you closer to freedom in movement and joy in living. No matter your past health struggles, know that today is a fresh start. Your body wants to heal. Your muscles want to move. And your heart, it wants to keep beating strong. Believe that you can get better, because you can. And I'm here to guide you. If this video brings value to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone you love. Your click may be small, but its ripple can help someone else start their healing journey. Every share spreads hope, and every new subscriber helps us keep creating content focused on senior health and happiness. So please, hit that red button and let's grow stronger together, one stretch at a time. Alright, let's get into the stretch routine. You don't need fancy equipment, just a chair, a calm space, and a willingness to move. You can do this sitting down or standing with support. This routine is designed for all levels of it. If you haven't exercised in years, take it slow, breathe deeply, and listen to your body. This is your time. Let's begin. We start with the neck. Slowly turn your head to the right, then to the left. Hold each side for 5 seconds. Repeat gently. This loosens tension in your neck and improves blood flow to the brain. Now raise your shoulders up to your ears and slowly drop them down. Do this 3 times. Feel the tension melt away. Many seniors carry stress in the neck and shoulders without realizing it. This small movement can release that weight and start your day with lightness. Now, stretch your arms forward. Interlock your fingers and push your palms away from your body. Feel your upper back open. Hold this for 10 seconds. Then lift your arms up over your head. It's comfortable and breathe deeply. This improves posture and reduces upper back tightness. Remember to move within your comfort zone. Even small stretches bring huge benefits if done with care and intention. Let's work the legs. While seated, straighten one leg forward and flex your foot. Hold for 5 seconds. Switch legs. This wakes up your knees and improves circulation. Now, tap your toes up and down like you're stepping gently. This is great for blood flow, especially if you sit for long periods. Your legs carry you through life. Give them the stretch they deserve every morning. Sit tall. Place your hands on your hips. Slowly twist your torso to the right. Hold for 5 seconds, then to the left. This gentle spinal twist improves lower back flexibility and can reduce morning stiffness. Next, gently lean forward with a straight back, keeping your hands on your knees. You'll feel your hips open and your lower back release. Move slowly. Breathe deeply. Feel the strength returning to your core. Let's close with mindful breathing. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts. Hold for 2. Exhale through your mouth for 6 counts. Do this 3 times. Controlled breathing calms the nervous system and boosts energy. Now, if you can, try standing with one hand on the chair. Gently lift one foot a few inches off the ground. Hold for 3 seconds. Switch sides. This simple balance move trains your stability and prevents falls. Even 10 seconds a day can improve your confidence when walking. Congratulations! You just completed the 10-minute stretch routine that thousands of seniors trust to stay active and pain-free. These gentle moves awaken your body, reduce stiffness, and improve circulation. Doing this every morning can transform how you feel throughout the day. You don't need a gym. You don't need to suffer. You only need 10 minutes, some deep breaths, and the decision to care for yourself every single day. If this video helped you, please like and comment below with how you feel after stretching. Subscribe for more routines like this and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a moment of movement. Share this with a loved one who needs a little push to begin. You can be someone's inspiration. You already are. You are stronger than you think, more capable than you know, and more worthy than you realize. Thank you for giving your time to your health today. Keep moving, keep smiling, and remember, it's never too late to start fresh. From my heart to yours, may your days be filled with strength, joy, and peace. See you in the next video.